Welcome to Spice and Pans. Subscribe to our channel for our recipes weekly.
Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking a kid's favorite dish. Even myself, I love this a lot. Sweet and sour luncheon meat with potatoes. So let's start cooking. First, heat up a pan with oil. We are going to shallow fry the potatoes and the luncheon meat. If you don't want to use oil to fry them, you can always air fry them or bake them in the oven. When the oil is hot, we'll put in the potatoes. 3 potatoes cut into cubes. You just need to brown them a bit and cook them through. The reason why we are doing this is because we want to see the potatoes as a whole cube when we serve them. This is a very easy to cook dish, a very popular dish. You can actually see this dish in a lot of all these Cai Peng store or economical rice store in Singapore. We'll fry until the edges you can see a little bit of brown, then the potatoes are done. This will take a few minutes. As you can see, the potatoes, they're brown on the sides already. So I'm just going to drain them off the oil and we are going to fry the luncheon meat. Okay, we'll just set this aside and we'll fry the luncheon meat now. I have with me here half a can of luncheon meat cut into cubes like this. We just need to develop a crust around the luncheon meat and we'll be done. If you want to use 1 can, by all means do so too. Now some of you might think that luncheon meat is unhealthy, and I do agree with you, but once in a while I think it's fine to give us a little treat here and there. In case you do not have luncheon meat from where you are, you can use hot dogs, sausages or spam to replace. It's a very easy to do dish, and in most countries actually can get the kind of ingredients that are needed. In some of the pubs in Singapore, they actually serve luncheon meat fries and luncheon meat chips. So all you have to do is just cut the shape of the luncheon meat into fries and deep fry them, or just use a potato peeler and just peel through the luncheon meat and make them look like chips, and also same thing, deep fry them. We are almost done with this. Right, when you see that the luncheon meat has developed a nice crust all around, it's time to take them out from the oil. It is very tempting right now to just use a toothpick and just pick off the luncheon meat as well as the potatoes. But I will really advise just to wait that particular few minutes, and let's do the sauce for this, and it will be very good with rice, with porridge. Okay, let's just put this aside and we'll do the sauce now. Heat up a pan, add in a little bit of oil. We are going to fry some garlic now. Just a clove of garlic chop will be fine. You can add capsicum or onions, it's really up to you. Once you can smell the garlic, we'll add in the tomato sauce. 3 tablespoons of tomato sauce or tomato ketchup. 1 tablespoon of chili sauce. You can use any of your favorite chili sauce. Stir them and turn the heat down. We'll add in a 1/4 cup of water. Mix them up well. Add in a little bit of sugar. I'm going to add in half a teaspoon of sugar. Wow, it smells really good. When you see that the sauce can easily coat the back of a spoon, we'll add in the potatoes as well as the luncheon meat. Just mix them up well. And it's time to serve them. And ladies and gentlemen, this is how we cook our sweet and sour luncheon meat with potatoes. I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.